All right, this is the Yeolibo 9-in-1 USB-C multi-port adapter. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I can show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Comes in a nice box here. Arrived safely. It's a little styrofoam in there. Got some user instructions and specs in here, but I'll go over it with you. I don't know if it's just me, but I think these things are awesome. Maybe it's because I'm older. Having the option to plug 9 things in at the same time or 8 things in at the same time in a power port is just super cool to me. So the way this works is real quick. So this device, you can plug it into anything that, almost anything that takes a USB-C. I got an Android phone right here. I could actually plug it into here. The little light comes on and tell me that it's working. I could run a it's got an HDMI, 4K HDMI port on the back here, so I could actually run this out into my projector if I wanted to, or into a TV if I wanted to, and I could duplicate the screen or you know, run the screen on here. What I think is cool in this too is that it has a power port on here, so if I wanted to, for instance, run my phone through the HDMI to a projector or a computer or something, I could also plug this power port in and it would charge the phone too. So I think that's awesome. Charging 94%. And I just find that fascinating. I think it's cool. Just going around the adapter real quick just to show you what you got. We got a 4K HDMI so you can mirror extend your screen. I've used this with my Android phone. I've used this to link my PC to my projector. It works great. We have 5 different 5 gig USB ports for hooking up your flash drive, your hard drive, your keyboard, your mouse, printer, anything that uses a USB. On this side, we have the power port. Plug this into your computer, your phone, run your power into here, and charge your device while you're using the 9-in-1 multi-port device. All of these USB ports are 5 gigs, so they're pretty fast. So we got a USB 3.0 right here, a USB 2.0 right here, 3 USB 3 ports. We got the 2 Type A's right here and a Type C USB 3.0 ports. And we've got SD card reader and a micro SD card reader. And I just think this thing's sweet. So I finally want to use this for an extended period of time. It'll heat up a little bit, but it's not too bad at all. I'm old and this stuff all fascinates me, but still pretty cool. So I got this thing plugged in to my Chromebook. I've got the power plugged in, so it's charging my Chromebook. I've come out of it with the USB port into my phone, so it's also charging my phone, and I suppose I could also access my phone files on my Chromebook. Got a USB stick plugged in here, just an extra one here, so still ports available, the SD card reader. I just think this thing's kind of neat. That's just, maybe it's just me. This would be a great hub for your MacBook Air, your MacBook Pro, XPS. I use it on my Chromebook, I use it on my phone. Most Type-C devices, this would be great for travel. Something you could throw in your laptop bag, your book bag, small enough to throw in your pocket, whatever. Be great for the office, obviously. So if you're looking for a 9-in-1 USB hub, check this one out by Yeolibo. Check it out.